Attention Modern Airs, Adrian Kinney here. Wanted to show you kind of the updates that's going on here in my rehab in Harvey Park in my Cliff May that I've got right now. Electrical stuff is just about done, the plumbing's done, the hot water tank is in, which is a tankless, which I'm super stoked about. Love giving those to clients and whatnot and using them ourselves. They just free up so much space, especially where you're space strapped in these mid-century moderns. They're becoming even more cost effective here in the States, which is great. Windows are reframed out for all the vinyl to come in. I think I covered that update. The last of the old appliances are out of the house, so we're able to give those to a local individual here to get some scrap money out of them. And got the carpet out, last bit of the carpet square, which was until the last appliances. So super stoked to have all those out. Got the cabinets delivered, so their bases are going in. The cork floor is in. Happy about that. All the rest of the tile is here. There's one last shipment coming in on Tuesday. Otherwise, everything's are moving right along still very much on schedule. Painting will be coming up this week inside and out. All the fence work is done outside. So a lot of things that we can check off the list. So I'll give you a quick walkthrough of what everything looks like.
All right, I know I always do this and start on the wrong side. I'm trying to go slow. So here's the front door for your usual bearings. Here's this side. This side is now quarantined off for the kitchen that's there. Yes, that's the toilet by the fireplace. I know, it's so in vogue. I'm sure I'll be setting trends everywhere and people see that. A lot of the other stuff is here. This wall is fully in. I don't know if it was in my last video. Like I said, there's so much stuff going on. But here we've got everything is open, gone, which is great. The wallpaper's coming down over there. Kitchen cabs are starting to go in where they're at, getting the wall prepped behind it. Coming down this hallway. Pretty stoked about how this bathroom is coming along. Love how these look, get a great mid-century vibe on them. I got the tiles in there. Vanity and whatnot will go into there. Again, this bedroom's kind of staying how it is. In here, again, I probably just can't quite see, but it's gonna be the washer dryer room and media space for the back of the TV. As we come down here, again, I don't think there's much light. Let me switch camera. There we go, there's better light for you. In this space, we have the washer and dryer in our Cliff, not in this one. This will be the walk-in closet for the master. Yes, that is an original pink toilet and pink sink with chrome front legs. The courtyard is all closed in. And in here, again, the pan was poured. It's ready to rock and roll to have the tile put in. The rest of that is put in and ready to go as well. Showing you again what these fun things look like. Now that I got my light on, you can see better what this room looks like. There's the tankless washer and dryer hookup. The washer and dryer will go in that corner, and then you've got space in there. This bedroom, again, it's just gonna be painted. No updates into there. And then back again to this bedroom. And that's kind of the update of what everything's like in here. Anyway, thanks for checking in on all the updates here. We'll keep you updated as other things progress. Otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day with Attention Modern Airs, and excited to keep showing you what things are happening here at the Cliff May.